Um, what the heck does this mean? That where the intervals are, where f prime is negative. What does that mean for the f graph, like the original graph? Because that's what this is. This is f. Here we're talking about f prime. What does that mean if f is negative? It means the function is decreasing. So I see the function decreasing right here. I see the function decreasing right here. I see the function decreasing right here. So I can clearly see where all the critical values are. Okay, the critical values are right there, right there, right there, right there, and right there. Okay, they look like 0.5s all around. So those are where your critical values. F prime is negative. All right, next, what the heck does F double prime mean if it's positive? So F double prime is positive. Okay, so here I should say this means F is decreasing. Okay, which you guys knew, but it's kind of like having all the calculus stuff in one spot. It's, you have to like take time to decode it and make it make sense in your head. That's true for like people who learn a second language too. When they're hearing English for like let's say they're learning English and they hear the English, they have to take it in their head, they have to translate it into language, and then they make it make sense. But then they have to translate it back to English and then output it. It takes a lot of time. So give yourself grace. If f double prime is positive, that means concave up. Now this would be concave up, and this is concave down. So up is right here, down is like this, okay? Now I kind of like combined the curves there. Maybe I shouldn't have done that. Maybe I should have practiced doing the 4 different types of curves. Now these are the 4 different types of curves when you guys are curve sketching. This is concave up, this is concave up, this is concave down, this is concave down, okay? And I could have made it so that they both look like parabolas again. But anyways, where are we concaving up and decreasing? So right here, we're definitely concaving down. There's a point, I can't tell where it is. There's a point, this is like the inflection point right here, where this starts concaving up. Even though we're decreasing, we're concaving up. You can kind of see it too. Like here's the curve right here. That's this guy right here. We're decreasing and concaving up. Decreasing. Wow, sloppy writing. And concave up. Okay, so that's this part right here. This part right here. I'm going to try to make it really bold so you can see it. And this part right here. All right. So, which of these intervals are, those intervals? Okay, let's look at the 4.5 one. So, negative 4.5 to negative 3.5. 4.5 is right about here, and 3.5 is right about here. I would say yes, that one definitely is one. And then negative 0.5, which is right here. No, that's not negative 0.5. It's negative 1.5. Negative 0.5 is right about there. And then to positive 0.5 is right about there. Yep. That one works too. What about 3.5 to 4.5? 3.5 is right here. 4.5 is, yeah. Okay, so they picked out all of them. Okay, so you would actually select all of them right here. Shebang, shebang, shebang. Booyah. Good work.